After viewing the tour of this fine home, please call Pam at 941-993-3388 to schedule a private showing or to ask any questions you may have. This 2016 built residence in the gated Silverleaf community offers the popular White Sands 2-floor plan by Neal Communities. Move-in ready and one-story living with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 19 by 23 great room open to the kitchen plus a front dining room that can also be used as an office or den. Some of the notable features and upgrades of this home include waterproof vinyl plank with oak flooring, crown molding, an extended screen lanai, and heavy-duty shelving in the garage. The kitchen has slate appliances, granite countertops, undercabinet lights and an eat-in dinette area. Silverleaf is a lovely community with sidewalks, a clubhouse with fitness room, community pool and spa, doggy parks, playground and basketball courts. You can enjoy an active lifestyle within your community or take a drive to beautiful beaches, golf courses, dining and sports venues. Live the good life in Florida. Note: new high school opening in Parrish soon.